Hi guys, Emilio again. Have the pleasure of working today with a Honda Pilot. Love the Pilot, nice and wide on the inside. One of the few cars that'll actually carry 3 car seats going across. I'm doing a car seat inspection today for a customer that received their car seat from us and installed it, and I'm just going to verify that it's correct. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all of our channels, on all of our social media. See you soon. Hi guys, here we are in a Honda Pilot. Really nice, multiple sets of anchor points inside of it, and we have the Pipa Lite installed by the customer properly. It's latched in, green light, nice and balanced here, and the rebound bars all the way down to the floor. This is an awesome installation by the customer, and I'm glad I was able to film it.